I've got a can of cream corn and 1 egg, and I've got another can of sweet corn here. And then we're going to be adding, that's sour cream. This is a 16-ounce container. We only need 1/4 of this. So just going to kind of arbitrarily cut that into 1/4 and dump that right in there. Keep mixing that around. Then just a 1/2 cup. You're going to pour that on top of all the corn. Oh, this looks so good. And then our main ingredient, which is the honey corn muffin mix. Sprinkle that all over the top. I'm gonna give this another quick mix. Add a 2-cup bag of this gourmet triple cheese. You can use cheddar cheese if you want. I'm just gonna go all across the top. I'm gonna use the whole bag because I like my corn puddings to be extra cheesy. Then one last thing is we're going to be adding some honey. But the Mike's Hot Honey is like really spicy, so I'm going to cut it with some regular honey. So just drizzle that on top. And then we're going to get just a regular teddy bear honey. And then we're going to crisscross it the other way. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Ooh, look at this. It's very puddingy, very moist cornbready. I'm going to take this top corner up here. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm going to add just a little bit of sour cream just on top. Just a try. It's so good. Please make some. It's gonna be a hit, I promise.